Hello to everyone. In this video I will show you easy way how to do spring. Of course there is many ways, but I think it's the most easiest. We go to Fusion to design tool that we can make spring. I create coil. If you look at the top and the bottom side, there is a small gap between revolution, and that's make coil strong. But in the middle there is bigger space. It make it weaker. Then I create cylinder and I combine it with the coil using a cut tool. Then I create two holes, one on the top and one on the down of cylinder to hold the spring. Then I created a rail on the top. It's kind of rod to remove the spring. It make it more easy to remove it from that space. Then I created lines from the downside to add more friction that you can hold. The cylinder always it's more easier to hold it when it's friction. We print just the cylinder. Now our tool is ready to use. We put a filament on the top hole, then just we turn it. It will go by itself because there is a rod there, it's drawn there, so it's more easier. It fits perfectly inside the rod. We just hold the filament with one hand and we turn with other hand until we get closer to the bottom hole. When we are close to the second hole, we can cut the filament long enough. Then just we continue turning the tool and we pass the filament inside the second hole. Then we just use plier to take filament inside more tight. We use a cutter to cut filament. So now it's ready. We just boil water in kettle. You can use something what it's deep that you can put hot water in. Better use glass or use something what it resists for hot water. You should be careful, don't burn yourself. We can put the twister tool inside the hot water and we try to put it more deep that it's not floating. PLA filament it can deform in 60-65 degrees. The idea here, we try to deform the filament and we reform it to spring shape. We use that twister tool as a guide to reform it. We can keep it inside the water for 1 minute. Of course it depends how hot is the water, but you can feel it, it's more soft. After it gets cold, we can use a cutter to cut the filament from the down and the top holes. The idea here that we created the holes to hold the filament to make it more easier to twist it. We just hold the spring and we turn the tool, it will remove by itself. It's very easy way to remove it. So now we have our spring, it's ready. If you want that twister tool, you can get it for free as a STL. You can find it in my Patreon, I opened a new one. There is a lot of design it's coming. Thank you for watching, see you again.